Christmas Day. It is Vlogmas Day 25. And let me open my window. I'm gonna obviously go to my mom's house really quickly right now because I'm gonna go open presents. And I have Bentley. I also just got a spray tan, so sorry if I'm a little tan, but that's okay. I wanted to be tan for Christmas. But yeah, I'm gonna go to my mom's house right now. I want to wear my green sweater, but I left it at my mom's house, so right now I look like I just have like a black tank top on, but I'm gonna put my green sweater underneath. But let me get Bentley ready because I've been trying to get ready quickly because I know my brothers are waiting for me to open presents. So yeah, let me get ready, and I have to bring all these presents to the car, which is annoying because it's kind of a lot of them. Okay.
When Ashley was like 4 years old, he had one of those kaleidoscopes. He turned like this.
Oh yeah.
And you looked up and you go, I can see your bones. And it was in my history. And I forgot, I just log into Etsy.
Oh yeah, this is a limited edition one.
Oh, that's nice. It took me a while to pick that out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did it? Nice little mess. Don't throw it in. Clean it up. There's nobody's gonna clean it. Got the fam Dunkin' for Christmas, and now I'm just driving home to my mom's house. Okay, so I'm currently driving to my grandma's house. We are gonna drop off some presents for them and just say hi on Christmas Day. A little update from yesterday. We usually celebrate with my dad's family on Christmas Eve, but we didn't yesterday because we have a little bit of like a cold flu going around in our family. So I'm not sick, but my like family is, so we did not celebrate with them yesterday, and now we're going to on New Year's Eve. So whatever, it'll be like a fun New Year's. But yeah, we're gonna drop off gifts to my mom's side, and then I think we're gonna stop by at my dad's side, but just to say hello. And then yeah, I just want to say Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I'm so grateful for all my subscribers. This year has been like a crazy year of building my YouTube channel, and I'm super grateful for everything that has like come about. But yeah, I feel like I don't say that enough, but I just wanted to say I'm so grateful for you guys. But yeah, we're going to my grandma's house right now, so I'm like driving there. All right. Okay. Bye. Okay, I will. Did you say hi to everybody? Did you say hi? I'll vlog you scratching your limit. Wait, these things. $2. Did you win? $2. I didn't win anything. $2. Oh. That one's a wiener. Do you like the smell? I do. It smells very nice. Thank you, honey. I love this one. Peppered roast. Alright, I put some makeup on. And whoa, look at the sun. And I'm now going to my boyfriend's family's house. She's running away from me. Every time. She doesn't have a color. Yeah. It's like she knows. It's like the second that's okay. Cute. In the box and stuff. We are home now, right, Beanie? I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. I'm waiting for my boyfriend to come. But I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in the... I guess I'll probably vlog before the new year, but I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.